Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zapier tasks and automation history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup your Zapier tasks and automation history, start by logging into your Zapier account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your Zaps are displayed. Select the Zap you want to backup by clicking on its name. On the Zap's detail page, locate the Task History section. Click on Task History to view all completed tasks. At the top right corner of the Task History page, look for the option to export your task history. Click on the Export button. A prompt will appear, allowing you to choose the format for your export, usually CSV. Select your preferred format and confirm your choice. The file will then begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the file using a spreadsheet program to review your task history. To backup your Zaps themselves, go back to your dashboard. Click on the Zaps tab to see a list of your automations. Use the Settings menu of each Zap to document important configurations if needed. For a comprehensive backup, consider writing down any custom code or settings that aren't automatically exported. Make sure to repeat this process for each Zap you wish to backup. Consider scheduling regular backups to keep your automation history up to date. With these steps, your Zapier tasks and automation history will be safely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.